if there's one thing we can all agree on about Mayeni in this season is that Ugel is happy, Ugel is glowing, Ugel is just, yeah, like from the way she laughs, like you can see a person's face. Like one thing about Muntu, guys, about a person, your facial expressions, even your demeanor, the energy that you carry will not lie about how you're feeling at that moment. So you can see, like even from the screen, we can see Uti Mayan is genuinely like at a happy stage in her life. You can see that we might not know her, but she looks like she's in her original self, like she's herself. And if you'd remember, guys, in the past seasons, Umayeni was very reserved. She was the type of girl. Every time she was like on Candy Crush, playing Candy Crush, she even got nicknamed, the Candy Crush Queen. That's because you could see which she was going through her own stuff, and we don't really know what she was going through, but you could see Mayeni has been going through a lot of things and she hasn't been herself. She hardly laughed. She would laugh there and there. She would comment there and there. She hardly laughed, hardly joked around. You could see, you can see now, which jokes. But back then, she didn't joke around. She was just, you could see that she was just like sad, almost sad and very distant. But this season, guys, and I think that's why people are warming up to Mayeni so much. When a person knows how to show up as their authentic self, we fall in love with them. And I think this season, yeah, my last season, Mayeni, like I didn't being I'm feely, but this season, like I've fallen in love with Umayeni so much, and I kind of see why her and Musa Bezwanarangaga. It's because they've just got this friendship, this flowy friendship that goes on where they can joke around and they get one another, almost like best friends, soulmate vibes. But also another thing that Umayeni opened up about this season is that she started attending therapy. And a lot of people have been speculating that maybe attending therapy is the reason why, she's feeling better and looking better, speaking better, and all of that. And I think maybe there is something to say about that, that maybe the therapy, her opening up about the issues she's going through, really like took something off of her shoulder. And I think, guys, maybe that should go for all of us, just to have that person, that one person who's not going to choose sides, who's just going to listen to you, is important in life. Because I feel like all those women abasestinjin, it's a lot, man. It's a lot that goes on there. Like, it's a lot, Um, and if you don't have an outlet or a person that you can speak to who can like be your voice of reasoning, especially someone like a professional person, then it's going to be quite tough for you. Because as I said, Umayeni, she's been going through a lot in the past seasons. She has been speaking about umuntu megwenza so in like speaking in parables. Like we don't really know what happened between yena no mangwabe or yena no Toby, that we truly don't know because she's been speaking in parables. But I think her just opening up to a therapist has really helped her. And we are here for it. We are happy for her. Out of all of them in that marriage, she's the one currently at the stage who looks like she's at peace in her marriage. She looks like she's come to a place where she's coming around and accepting things for what they are, but she really is at peace. I would advise, if I could, but who am I? If I could, I'd advise the rest of the other wives to go for therapy, especially Umangwabe. Umangwabe, you can see, yes, maybe it's her nature to like be the I don't care type, but you can see there's certain things that maybe Musa has done to her that has hurt her, or the way Musa has treated her, or the way he's so selfish that she feels like she has to put herself first. And I think maybe she needs therapy because there's a lot that might be going on in all of them's lives, including Umakele as well. There's a lot that they should go to therapy, and I think therapy will help them in just living in the situation that they're in. Anyway, please do make sure that you like the video. Please also do subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.